Hey there, YouTube. Have you ever heard of Ooma? It's that popular home phone service that's been making waves. But here's a question that's been popping up a lot. Is Ooma completely free? Let's dive in and find out. Now, we all love a good deal, right? And the idea of a free home phone service sounds pretty enticing. But before we jump into the Ooma freebie, let's understand what Ooma is all about. Ooma is a VoIP voice over internet protocol service, meaning it uses your internet connection to make and receive phone calls. This can be a great alternative to traditional landline services, especially if you have a reliable internet connection. Addressing the freebie. So, is Ooma completely free? Well, not exactly. While Ooma does offer a free plan, it comes with some limitations. Let's break down what you get and what you don't. Ooma free plan breakdown. Unlimited incoming calls. Yep, you can receive calls from anywhere in the US and Canada without paying a dime. Limited outgoing calls. Here's where the catch comes in. The free plan allows for a certain number of minutes for outgoing calls within the US and Canada. Once you exceed that limit, you'll need to pay for additional minutes. Number 911 service. Keep in mind that the free plan doesn't include 911 service. This is a crucial feature to consider, especially for safety reasons. Additional features. If you want to enjoy features like voicemail, caller ID, and call forwarding, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. Paid plans and pricing. Now, if you're looking for a more comprehensive home phone service, Ooma offers several paid plans at different price points. These plans typically include unlimited outgoing calls, 911 service, and a range of advanced features. The exact pricing and features may vary, so it's a good idea to check Ooma's website for the most up-to-date information. Is Ooma right for you? So, is Ooma worth it? That depends on your specific needs and budget. If you primarily need a home phone for incoming calls and occasional outgoing calls within the US and Canada, the free plan might be a great option. However, if you need unlimited outgoing calls, 911 service, and additional features, a paid plan might be a better fit. Additional considerations. Internet connection. Remember, Ooma relies on your internet connection. If your internet is unreliable, it can affect your phone calls. Hardware. You'll need a compatible phone or adapter to use Ooma. Customer support. Ooma offers customer support to help you set up and troubleshoot your service. In conclusion, Ooma is not entirely free, but it does offer a great option for those looking for a budget-friendly home phone service. The free plan provides unlimited incoming calls and limited outgoing calls. But if you need more features or unlimited outgoing calls, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. Ultimately, whether Ooma is right for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or experiences with Ooma, feel free to share them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and reviews. Until next time.